Hey there, and welcome back to another video. In this one, I'll be showing you guys a showcase of some Windows shortcuts that you may or may not already be using. So we're not just gonna cover the usual Alt-Tab or Control-C, Control-V, we're gonna cover some more underrated shortcuts that you probably didn't know existed. So the first shortcut we're gonna be showing is Windows plus D. This allows us to bring up the Windows desktop pretty much anytime. Press it again and it'll automatically hide the desktop and go back to where you once were. Another related shortcut to that one is the Windows plus comma. As you can see, if you press that, you'll get a peek at the desktop. As long as you're holding down the Windows key, the desktop is the one that's going to be shown. And once you let go of the Windows key, it'll switch back to your initial application. Now the next one is Windows plus V. This is a standard shortcut that I think everyone should be using. It just brings up the clipboard history. From here, you can paste your previously copied items and quickly navigate through the entire clipboard history with your arrow keys. Simply find which one you want to paste and then just press enter. As you can see, you're not restricted to the only last copied item you have. By pressing Windows plus V, you'll see a list of all the copied items done in the recent time. You can copy up to 25 items and paste them one after another in your document. You can even pin frequently used items like a standard response. Simply click on this icon to pin it to the clipboard. Remember, pinning an item keeps it from being removed from the clipboard history even after you reboot your computer. Now the next shortcut is Windows and period. This brings up a cool emoji picker, so you can quickly add some color, flavor, and personality to your text. Simply use the arrow keys to browse or search for something using the search box. If you wish to add a GIF though, simply go down and select the GIF of your choice. Now the next shortcut is Windows and plus. This brings up the Windows magnifier, so you can zoom in as much as you want wherever your mouse is on the screen. The more you press Windows and plus, the more you'll zoom in. And to zoom out, it's Windows and minus. This is great for when you're presenting a file from Excel and you want to just zoom in to a certain part of the formula bar. Just bring your mouse to wherever you wish to zoom into, use the Windows and plus shortcut to zoom in, and then go back to the default zoom from Windows and minus. If you check your Windows settings, you can also check your default zoom level, as well as the zoom increment. And to turn off the magnifier, just press Windows and escape. Now the next one is Control plus K. If you're using an internet browser, you don't need to always use your mouse to go into the search box. Simply press Control plus K and it'll automatically set you to the search box for you to search. This will work on most browsers as far as I know. Now the next one is Control Shift and T. If you happen to close a tab by accident, you can press Control Shift T to redo that tab. This will bring them back in the same order that you closed your tabs. Now the next one is Windows and Tab. This will bring up a task view, which will display all of your open applications as tiles, so you can freely choose whichever application to focus on. Simply navigate again using the arrow keys, and then press enter to jump to that specific application. You can also use tab to jump to the bottom bits that display your virtual desktops. Yet again, simply navigate using the arrow keys, and then press enter to jump to that virtual desktop. Now the next one is Windows plus L. If you do work in an office with others, it's usually a good idea to lock your screen when you leave your desk. To do that, press Windows plus L. This will keep all your applications open, but lock your screen. Then it's just a matter of unlocking your PC again on your account to use. Now the last cool Windows shortcut I have for you today is Windows plus X. If you want to shut down your computer completely, use the shortcut Windows and X. And then followed by a U, and then another U to shut it down. But I don't really recommend shutting your computer down like that. If you want to have a clean startup next time you turn on your computer, just consider disabling fast startup in your power option settings. And that's really all the time we have today. I've shown you a good amount of Windows shortcuts that I like to use on a near daily basis. If you have any other questions, inquiries, or even suggestions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. And as always, don't forget to like this video if you learned something new, and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this one. Yet again, thank you so much for watching, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video.